Earlier, we spoke to Paul McSheaffrey, a partner, head of Hong Kong banking and capital markets at KPMG China. He also shares the optimism for Hong Kong, saying that digital innovations will continue to support the city's status as a leading financial hub.
So I think it's going to be very exciting for consumers, and I think it's really going to shake up the banking experience. Like talking to some of the virtual banks, they're talking about being able to open accounts and deposit money within minutes, where at the moment it takes quite a lot of time to open an account in Hong Kong. So that's really from a customer experience perspective. It really is going to change how individuals, particularly in Hong Kong, and also I think small medium enterprises, the SME sector, is really going to change how they will interact with their banks. However, we should recognise these banks are in startup, and the sector in Hong Kong is very, very big, and these banks will take some time to grow to a sort of critical mass where they are able to really compete with and be the same size as some of the incumbent banks. But I think for those retail and particularly that SME sector, it's going to be quite exciting, and they're really going to see some changes in how they interact with banks and financial services. I think the things that excite me, people talk about digitised assets and use of blockchain, but actually there are so much other things that can be done in Hong Kong in terms of transforming, and I think it's actually pretty simple things. Mobile payments you referred to. Hong Kong actually has a fairly vibrant stored value facility sector with payment wallets. But it's things such as how quickly you can be onboarded and all the financial crime and AML checks completed. That will move from days and weeks to minutes and hours. If you look at how you will be assessed for credit for, say, a personal loan or a credit card, that can take days, or as it goes through a manual process. That will move to minutes as people look to get credit and be given it for purchases very, very quickly. So it's those kind of things, giving people much quicker access to banking products, that really excites me.